Hey there. What you doing? Hey, there he is.
Hey.
Happy 4th of July. The crew that's going to do the taping and patching and prepping for texturing, and then they'll do the texturing and painting. Hello. Echoey in here now. Covering up the floor to make sure it doesn't get all messed up.
You ready?
Let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, look at this. How you doing?
All right.
Wow.
Looking good.
You're able to do whole strips at a time. That's fantastic.
Well, that was doing by hand because the box didn't seem to work so well.
Stay here, Sky. Okay, freeze.
That is so cool. You don't even need a ladder. The crew's out for lunch and making good progress. It's going to be at least a 2-day chore to do this. First one coat and then a second coat. And I guess some skimming. We're gonna turn this garage into a beautiful recreation room, living space, and the work continues.